EZARC sent me this kit and asked me to take a look at it and give my opinion on it. So here goes. 21 pieces here. Really nice setup here. These are all kinds of adapters for your impact wrenches. And that could be a any kind of socket or a impact wrench where you're driving different items, and you need to have these adapters so that you can fit the different kinds of sockets and everything. So here's a small 1/4 inch impact. And here what I've got are adapters from 1/2 inch all the way down to 1/4 here, so I can apply those different size sockets on here. I'm going to be doing some work today on my vehicle, do an oil change. Things like this pop in just so easy. And I can, instead of using the old school socket, I can use the drill here. And I can put my oil drain bolt right there, and I can use that to remove it. You get all kinds of different adapters here, from 1/4 inch down all the way up to 1/2 inch. And these are all 1/4 inch drivers that are going to fit in a drive like this. And then also you get some other adapters here as well. This one here is a 3/8 up to 1/2 inch. And then you've got a 1/2 inch down to 3/8, 1/4 inch up to 3/8, 3/8 down to 1/4 inch. You got all those options there. This here is pretty slick. This converts your regular socket or drill into a quick release 1/4 inch. So you put one of those things on there, and now you can start to do things like this and put all kinds of things, screwdriver bits, whatever you need on there. So that's really handy. 3 sizes of that up to a 1/2 inch here. So you can put a 1/2 inch drive and then drive 1/4 inch bits like that. And then these are something here that I really like. These are those flexible bits. So here's a 3/8. If I was going to use that, put it on here like this, and I can attach it here. And now I've got this movement here on the end. So when the socket is there, I don't have to be perfectly straight for that thing to turn. So really cool how that works. It's spring loaded there, so it's keeping pressure there on it, but it's allowing you that flexibility when you just can't get straight in on that bolt that you're trying to remove. Nice thing about this too, this whole tray will just slide right into your toolbox. It's ready to go, and you can see everything that's available. Hope that helps. Have a great day.